wake up in the morning, tonight you I want to feel. Anywhere that I be going, baby make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Yes, them.
Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is sponsored by HerGivenHair. This is a company that I've heard so much about but hadn't had a chance to try. So I'm super excited to show you guys this hair. Now the hair that I have for you guys today is called the Embrace Me Coily Life Wig. It's in the texture Coily 3C4A. The type of wig it is a lace front wig, 13 by 6, deep parting area, and it's in 18 inches. And the cap size I got is a size small. Now this wig does come with deep bleached knots, a completely pre-plucked hairline. It has Swiss transparent lace. It's 100% virgin human hair, and it does come with an adjustable elastic band. So I decided to start with washing and conditioning the hair. I used the Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla shampoo and conditioner, and then I let the hair air dry to about 50% air dry. I wanted to come to you guys and style the wig. I wanted to show you guys a simple, easy way to style the wig, just a simple wash and go, so that it won't take too many steps for you guys to get this wig looking amazing. I went ahead and cut off the lace in a zigzag sort of pattern. You never want to cut the lace straight across. It's all about creating illusions, and if you cut it in a zigzag, it doesn't give that straight across feel. It creates more of an illusion of a real hairline. Now look at this lace, you guys. The lace is literally invisible. It's absolutely glueless. You do not have to glue this wig in any way, shape, or form, and it blends perfectly into your skin tone. You don't have to use any lace tint spray or anything like that, you guys. It looks good. Let's get into these bleach knots to see how well they are blending. So I wanted to part the hair in the middle and on both sides, and you guys, it just looks really, really good. I'm very impressed with how well these knots came pre-bleached and how well this lace is blending with zero effort. So again, I would absolutely feel comfortable wearing this wig glueless, but I do want to show you guys how you can secure it if you want to. I take my wig off every day, so I choose to secure it with a spray. You can always use a hold adhesive. This one that I'm using today is from Wig Dealer, and it is their lace melt spray. And I really like this because it does secure the wig down, but it's a light hold that you can take off every day, and it doesn't leave a heavy residue. So I use my GLEEmade clips to clip the hair back. If you'd like to grab these, they are available on my website along with this headband. And this is the GLEEmade styling mousse. This is a part of the new line of hair care products on my GLEEmade website. This styling mousse is really great. It creates a firm hold, but it does give you a nice soft option for styling. I usually use the styling mousse in large sections. I saturate the section with the mousse, and then I add a little bit of water from my spray bottle to allow the mousse to really work its way into every strand. Now, when the hair dries, it will leave the hair a little bit with a firmer hold. This styling mousse is really great for people who want to style their hair one time and allow the hair to last for two to 3 days. Okay, so the first day, of course, is going to be your firmer hold. The next day is going to be softer and softer, but your curls will stay in place. Okay, so this is not for the girls who like to, define their curls every single day. This one is, you define it that first day, and then it's going to last for about 2 to 3 days with really, really beautiful defined curls. So you also want to make sure that you put enough mousse on the ends. That's really where you want to work in the mousse and make sure that the curls will definitely pop. You're going to want to hold the hair a little taut, and then you're going to want to finger comb really thoroughly, and then when you're done, you're going to want to scrunch the curls up to give them that nice coily bounce back effect. And after about 20 minutes, everything should be nicely dried. You can take your baby hair scarf off and reveal a beautiful hairline with amazing blended lace and perfectly popping curls. I love the mousse because it does help the hair to dry super duper fast, because remember, we're going for a wash and go with super defined and beautiful curls, and that's exactly what we have. I absolutely love this unit, you guys. I'm going to leave links down below to where you can grab this unit for yourself. Definitely check it out. It comes ready to go straight out the box, and I love a unit that takes all the guesswork out of it and just looks beautiful and is easy to achieve a flawless look. So definitely check out HerGivenHair. I'm so glad that they collaborated with me on this video, because I really am loving their hair and hope to do even more and bring you guys more amazing styles. Make sure you guys are subscribed to this channel. It really helps me out if you click that like button and you click that share. Share this video with a friend. Share this video with a kinky curly wig lover. Share this video with your mama. Peace.
Up in the morning, tonight I want to feel. Anywhere that I be going, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Oh, baby, make you ginger me, and I go ginger you. I know that you're feeling me, and I be feeling you. Girls, them are random. Me I fit to turn them down. Anywhere we go, see them be hating now. She carry you, her body.